Sable, the standard setter for excellence and the trendsetter for midsize family car style, continues its winning ways for 1987. We've asked Norris Akins, a top salesperson from Plainfield Lincoln Mercury, Grand Rapids, Michigan, to do a walk-around product presentation of the 1987 Sable. He is the first place winner of the 1986 Sable Sell-Off competition conducted recently by the Detroit Lincoln Mercury District. While we realize you don't have to go through all the features, this might give you a little food for thought.
This is Sable. It was designed to be new from the ground up. Look at the distinctive front design. That unique laser light bar sets Sable apart from the crowd. Blending in on each side are halogen arrow headlamps, standard corner lamps to light the way around corners, and side marker lamps. It's all flush for better aerodynamics and designed to spread light evenly ahead. That's not glass, nor is that. It's a tough space-age plastic called Lexan. It's much less apt to break than glass, and it's the same basic material as the bumpers, polycarbonate. They're rated at 5 miles per hour. The government standard is only 2.5 miles per hour, and the polycarbonate bumpers are easy to spot repair. Aerodynamically efficient slots in the lower bumper bring in the cooling air. Notice that the upper bumper matches the body color, and the lower bumper is in a different coordinated color. This is a new color for 1987, medium regatta blue. It also comes in medium smoke. The coordinated color is also on the body side molding and on the protective polycarbonate body cladding on the Sable LS. There's beauty under the skin, too. Hood assist springs make it very easy to open the hood. Standard on LS sedans and on all station wagons is a 3-liter V6 engine, especially designed with driver in mind. It has highly efficient multi-port electronic fuel injection, and it has EEC4 electronic engine controls that continuously adjust the engine for the best performance in all kinds of driving conditions. This 3-liter V6 has a 4-speed automatic overdrive transaxle. The hood closes and latches as easy as this. The hood is low and easy for the driver to see over. Look at how uniform and close the hood and fender fit together. All seams are this tight. The sharply slanted windshield and flush side glass reduce wind resistance and wind noise. Sable has a coefficient of drag of 0.32. That puts it among the most aerodynamic cars in the world. Even the uniquely designed dual power mirrors reduce wind drag. And the doors are shingled for a neat fit. They close on the roof rather than into it. The rear quarter window wraps around to improve your visibility to the rear. And the tail lamps wrap around too. The trunk lid is also shingled for a neat fit. It's easy to open too. The trunk is significantly larger than in any other car in Sable's class, holding 18.5 cubic feet of luggage. It's fully trimmed to protect the contents and is lighted. And for 1987, the Sable LS sedan has a cargo tie-down net to hold things secure. That was only available on the station wagons last year. The lid is almost effortless to close. Let's take a look inside. Up front, Sable LS has dual reclining twin comfort lounge seats with power lumbar support. There are also 4-way adjustable headrests and individual center armrests. The swept-away design instrument panel has new colors that reduce reflection in the windshield. And you can easily see the instruments and reach the controls. That helps you keep your eyes on the road. Many of the controls are touch-coded so that you can operate them by feel alone, which is convenient for night driving. Sable LS has dual illuminated visor mirrors. Even the GS has dual visor mirrors. And there are new secondary visors to reduce the glare from the side as well as from the front. And on the LS, this includes the passenger side too. And here's a neat touch. You can pull the mirror closer to the passenger's face. There are even heat ducts leading to the rear compartment. No cold feet back there. And the front seat supports are widely spaced so that even my size 13 feet can fit under there. The rear seat is also contoured, has headrests and a fold-down center armrest. Child-proof rear door locks are standard, and there's a convenient covered storage bin under the rear seat ledge. And there are many other luxury-level features, especially on the LS. On the road, Sable's independent four-wheel suspension with nitrogen gas pressurized McPherson struts front and rear and precise linear power rack and pinion steering provide a smooth ride and responsive handling. But you have to get behind the wheel yourself to fully appreciate that. Most of what I presented today is in your 1987 Lincoln Mercury Mercury product facts book. There's a lot to sell on Sable, so let's sell it.